Hello. I just wanted to share with you some new things that I just found out. There was an update on Cricut Design Space, and I'm delighted with one of the changes. So what I'm going to do is I'll just click on um, an, one of my projects in Design Space, and all of these images are in that project, but I want to know what cartridges they're in. So all you have to do now is click on the number. This didn't work before. For months it hasn't worked, but now you just click on the three dots and view the image set, and there's the name of the cartridge. So you can tell if you own that cartridge or not. Or you can, if you want a similar look on your page, you can click this open and you'll find all kinds of images that have the same shadows and the same look to them because they're all designed to coordinate. Like these match quite well. So I'm just so happy that they have this search with the name of the cartridge working properly. Here's another. Say you wanted to know which cartridge this doily is, you just click on the image, click on the three dots, and view image set. Close to my heart, Artiste is the cartridge. So I'm very happy about that. Also, something else I like to do is if I click on images, I need to click up at the top. I need to get back to this main page, and here down on this left hand side here, image sets. Now you can type in a word if you know a word in the name of your cartridge, like edges or something. You can type in a word and you can search for a cartridge that way. You have been able to do that for a while, but a lot of people have overlooked this and didn't know how to find image sets. Anyway, I am also going to I do this often, recently added, whenever there's an update. I go to, how do I get this? To go to the beginning. How, if I do a new project, click images, all images, now recently added. I want it to go to cartridges. How do I do this all the time. There's free this week. All these images would be free if you didn't have Design Space. But now how do I get here? I want image sets. All right. If you just click on image sets, you get, these are the newest ones. That's what it is. Okay, surprise animals. I go through these a lot. They have the newest ones at the top. Happy birthday milestones. There are some beautiful radiant spring images. So I want to look at those for a bit. These look more for vinyl. Yeah, that they would be impossible to put together with paper. But I did see some beautiful new. Oh, I'm way down. If I go right to the top, these are the new ones. Look at these cute owls. Really sweet. I'll just bypass those guns. These are beautiful. Water scenes. These would be wonderful for camping. Travel pages. There's a deer in this one. Boats, canoe, sailboats. There's the one above it is monoline on the water scenes. So these are a different look for water scenes. Very, very nice. Loving those. And these are beautiful. Quinceanera banners. but they're very girly, very feminine, beautiful banners. So I do like to go through these canoes and kayaks. They look really great. I love all these layered images. They're the only ones I'm interested in. Easter, cozy Easter. These are cute. Very cute. So I just wanted to show you some of the new images and let you know about the searching the names of the cartridges. Oh, here's some more water scenes. Very nice, with docks, mountains, lakes, trees, forests, rivers. Very nice. So this is just a quick little video to update you on some of the things I've discovered in the latest update.